Alright, here we are. This is the one that is going to come for sale on Monday. You can see the yard is overgrown, not nearly as bad as some of the other stuff we've looked at. So I can back up and get a little bit better picture of the house. You can see it's not in the best shape in the world. Of course, none of them really are. Not much of a backyard. Glad I didn't step in that water hole. Let's see what we got here. No attic. This must be a laundry room. Looks like that's a hole for a dryer. There's a fence right there. Not a very big yard. And there's a fence right there. Don't know how big this yard is, but it's not really big. Let me see if I can get through. I'm going to go around the other way. All right. Meter can, no meter. Power's been cut. That's a hassle to deal with, but we can manage. Here's the house. Oh, a lovely tire in the yard. Great. Something extra I have to pay to have hauled off. And there's the house. Lots of garbage here. If you look, got a little bit of a side yard here. According to the tax collector, though, the property goes back in a little L shape. And I think it's part of that backyard there. That's going to be a problem if that's it. But otherwise, there's not much we can see here because the inside is closed up. But you know, tree is not terrible. That'll be easy to remove or clean up. Broken windows. A lot of work. Always are. And there we have it. We're gonna go see, can we do something with this one. Gonna check it out on Monday, and hopefully we can make a deal on it and take possession. Well, let's see what happens.